Hello. Today I'm going to be installing the AMD Phenom II quad-core 965 3.4 GHz processor into my computer. I'll be replacing the AMD Athlon dual-core 255 3.1 GHz processor. I've made a video on. There should be an unboxing video of this somewhere on this channel. Probably the previous video, I'm assuming. Yeah, so I've opened up the case. Prior to this, I've already unplugged all of the cables. You might be able to see that just on the right, like the power cable as well. You know, take the basic precautions, touch an unpainted part of the case, reduce the risk of something. I forgot what it was, even though I'm doing it in college. Yes, I've got the case open. I've taken the old processor out, as you can see. I've just looked to the to this as guidance. There we go. The little booklet you get, this instruction manual. I already know how to do it, but I just wanna assure myself. So yeah, well, the heatsink that I got with the processor, it already has the thermal paste on it. So, and I've asked some people, and they say it's fine. Actually, I've asked one person, and they said it's fine. But yeah. Here we go. You get the processor. Oh, just need to get it in shot to pick it up. Here it is. Just adjust it to macro. There we go. You can see AMD. I've got a nice little, really bright halogen lamp here. See, AMD Phenom II. Right, you gotta be careful because the AMDs still have pins in them. Apparently, Intel processors made now don't actually have pins. So yeah, right, I think this is it. You can see where the notches are there, and you can see where the bumps are there on where the processor goes. It's you see the little arrow there. I think it points opposite from where the clamp starts. I think that's what it is. Yeah, you just make sure you just drop it in there. There we go. It's in. Oh, just touch the lamp. The lamp is like it's metal, and then you touch it and it changes the lightness. So you just push the old thing down. Right, now for the heatsink. Let me just reach over and get this heatsink. Righty ho. God. I want to do this without dropping everything. Right, let me just adjust everything. You should still be able to see the everything. I need to do this without smearing the thermal paste already on it, so I need 2 hands for this. You just drop it into place. There we go. Oh God, dropped it. Right, there we go. You should be able to see now. You just put the heatsink on top of it. Make sure it's lined up, because you see these. Let me just move the torch closer. Like there. There's the clamp. Like the clamps. There it is. Like the clips at the sides. You got to make sure this one's in first, the one that doesn't have like the clip that turns over. So yeah, you have to get that underneath the clip. Like, let me just get it in closer. I'm not sure if you can see that. Right, it's like clips. So the bit that's on the case, I've got that bit. Make sure you don't move it around too much, otherwise the thermal paste will like spread, and then it will create like it won't be as effective, and you could like burn out your processor or something. Let's just move the lamp this way. Right, now for the other side. What have I done? I think I've done it wrong. This heatsink's different from my one. It's a bit fiddly. Wait a sec, let me just fix this problem. There we go. I've managed to get the clip on that one, and then I've also got it on that one. I found it slightly tricky because there's not much room to do it, and then you just like pull the clamp over. There we go. You've pushed the clamp down like that, pulled it over. Should be in place now. There we go. Right, you got to attach this wire to the motherboard right there. Not sure if you can see it. Like, there it is. Just make sure it's in the right way. Should line up. 3 point. There we go. That's in. This is in. Oh, shouldn't do that. Yeah, the heatsink's in. Everything's clamped in. So, yeah, I'll get the lid back on. You've got to remember the sticker. The sticker, that's the most important part. Oh, yes. You can. Oh god, no, don't fall. There. You can go right there. Yes. Not even straight, but it's like it's a leap up. That's why it's just above it. So yeah, and are these supposed to be like paper planes? And that's my motherboard make. So I'll plug it in, and then I'll show you what happens when it's plugged in, just to show that it's working. Oh yeah, forgot about this. Remember, you gotta run setup. There you go, defaults. Right, let's go to a computer. as you can see. I haven't changed that. There we go. It needs to be refreshed. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.